Welcome back to Auto Gear Insider, your go-to place for smart automotive upgrades and must-have garage tools. Today, we're diving into 20 space-saving tire storage solutions and heavy-duty jacks on Amazon that can transform your workspace and boost efficiency. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a cleaner garage, these picks are practical and powerful. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Torin 2-Ton Jack Combo. The Torin 2-Ton Jack Combo is an all-in-one solution for safely lifting vehicles during maintenance or emergencies. This combo includes a hydraulic bottle jack and a sturdy jack stand, providing reliable support for cars, SUVs, and small trucks. Its durable steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the compact design allows easy storage in a trunk or garage corner. I love how simple it is to operate. Even beginners can use it confidently. The wide base ensures stability on various surfaces, and the adjustable height offers flexibility for different vehicle types. Lightweight yet strong, it delivers both safety and convenience, making it a must-have tool for every driver's emergency kit or garage setup. Tire Saver Storage Ramps. Tire Saver storage ramps are designed to prevent flat spots and extend the life of your tires during long-term storage. These ramps elevate the tire slightly, distributing weight evenly to reduce pressure points. Made from durable, heavy-duty materials, they can support cars, SUVs, and light trucks while remaining easy to position. I love how simple it is to use. Just drive onto the ramps and park securely. The anti-slip surface ensures safety, keeping vehicles in place. Perfect for seasonal vehicles or those left idle for weeks, these ramps protect tire integrity while saving space. They are a practical, cost-effective solution for anyone looking to preserve tire quality and maintain a clutter-free garage. 2-Ton Emergency Scissor Jack. The 2-Ton Emergency Scissor Jack is a compact and reliable tool for lifting vehicles during roadside emergencies or routine maintenance. Its sturdy steel frame ensures stability and durability, while the simple crank mechanism allows smooth operation without requiring much strength. I love how portable it is, perfect for storing in a trunk or vehicle storage compartment. The wide base keeps it steady on uneven surfaces, reducing the risk of accidents. It can lift most standard cars safely and efficiently. Lightweight yet strong, it is ideal for beginners or experienced drivers alike. This scissor jack is an essential addition to any vehicle emergency kit, providing peace of mind and convenience whenever you need it. Maxa 10-Ton Storage Ramps. Maxa 10-Ton storage ramps are heavy-duty ramps designed for trucks, SUVs, and larger vehicles, providing long-term tire protection. Their rugged steel construction distributes weight evenly, preventing flat spots during extended storage. I like the anti-slip surface, which keeps vehicles securely in place on smooth floors or concrete surfaces. Despite being strong enough to handle heavy loads, they're surprisingly easy to position and store when needed. These ramps are perfect for seasonal storage, workshops, or garages where tire preservation is essential. They help maintain tire integrity, improve safety, and reduce vehicle wear. If you want a durable and practical storage solution that saves space, these Maxa ramps are an excellent choice for any vehicle owner.
MaxxHaul Trailer Tire Carrier. The MaxxHaul Trailer Tire Carrier keeps your spare tire accessible while saving valuable trailer space. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability, resisting rust and damage in various weather conditions. I like how easily it mounts to trailer tongues and adjusts to accommodate different tire sizes. This carrier keeps the spare tire off the ground, reducing clutter and protecting it from damage. Installation is straightforward, allowing quick setup without specialized tools. Perfect for trailers, campers, and utility vehicles, it helps maintain organization while ensuring readiness for roadside emergencies. Compact yet strong, it improves efficiency and convenience for frequent travelers. By securely holding your spare, this carrier offers reliability, practicality, and peace of mind every trip. IMAYCC 2-Ton Jack Kit. The IMAYCC 2-Ton Jack Kit is a complete solution for roadside emergencies, providing everything you need for quick tire changes. The kit includes a scissor jack, lug wrench, and essential tools neatly packed in a compact case for easy storage. I love the organization, making it convenient to store in your trunk without clutter. The sturdy jack lifts most standard vehicles safely, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation. Lightweight yet durable, this kit is perfect for beginners or experienced drivers. Ideal for road trips, daily commutes, or long-distance travel, it offers reliability, convenience, and peace of mind. The IMAYCC 2-ton jacket is a practical must-have accessory for every vehicle owner.
Gadfish 17-inch tire mount. The Gadfish 17-inch tire mount is a wall-mounted storage solution that keeps tires off the floor, saving space and maintaining tire condition. Its heavy-duty steel frame provides durability and strength, supporting multiple tires without bending. I like how it maximizes vertical storage, making it perfect for garages with limited space. Installation is easy, and once mounted, it securely holds tires, preventing movement or accidental damage. By elevating tires, this mount reduces flat spots and prolongs their lifespan. It's an ideal solution for seasonal storage, workshops, or anyone seeking better garage organization. With a compact, durable, and reliable design, the Gadfish tire mount simplifies storage while protecting your investment. Tutus 37-inch tire cart. The Tutus 37-inch tire cart is a practical storage and transport solution for multiple tires. Its sturdy steel frame can hold several tires securely, while smooth rolling wheels make moving them effortless. I like the ergonomic handle, which provides comfortable control during transport without straining your back. Compact yet functional, it helps keep garages organized and clutter-free. Perfect for seasonal tire rotations or workshop use, it simplifies the process of moving and storing tires. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Lightweight, mobile, and reliable, this cart is ideal for both home and professional use. If you want a convenient, safe, and space-efficient way to manage tires, the Tutus tire cart is an excellent choice.
Big Red 3-ton jack stands. Big Red 3-ton jack stands are essential for safely supporting vehicles during maintenance or repair. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, they provide stability and durability for cars, SUVs, and small trucks. I like the adjustable height feature, allowing flexibility for different vehicle lifts or maintenance projects. The secure locking mechanism keeps the stand firmly in place, ensuring safety while working underneath the vehicle. These stands are compact and easy to store, making them perfect for both home garages and professional workshops. Safety and reliability are paramount, and Big Red delivers both. These jack stands provide peace of mind and stability during repairs, offering durability and strength for every maintenance task. MaxxHaul Folding Tire Rack. The MaxxHaul Folding Tire Rack is a space-saving solution for organizing and storing multiple tires efficiently. Its foldable design allows you to collapse it when not in use, saving floor space in garages or workshops. I like the sturdy steel construction, which supports heavy tires without bending or tipping. Setup is quick and easy, and the rack accommodates several tires safely. It keeps your garage neat, reduces clutter, and protects tires from unnecessary wear. Ideal for seasonal storage or frequent tire rotations, this folding rack combines practicality, convenience, and durability. For anyone wanting to maintain organization while protecting tires, the MaxxHaul Folding Tire Rack is a smart and reliable choice.
Rubber tire parking ramps. Rubber tire parking ramps are designed to protect tires from flat spots during long-term storage. Constructed from durable rubber, these ramps are resistant to cracking, wear, and heavy loads. I like their simple design. You just drive your vehicle onto the ramp, and the weight is distributed evenly across the tires. The anti-slip surface ensures that vehicles stay securely in place, even on smooth garage floors. Lightweight yet strong, they're easy to position or store when not in use. Ideal for seasonal vehicles, workshops, or garages with limited space, these ramps prolong tire life while keeping your garage organized. Practical, cost-effective, and reliable. They are perfect for maintaining tires efficiently. Heavy-duty garage hooks. Heavy-duty garage hooks are an excellent solution for organizing tires, tools, and bulky equipment off the floor. Made from reinforced steel, these hooks are strong, durable, and resistant to bending or rust. I love their versatility. They can be installed on walls, beams, or ceilings, freeing up floor space and creating a clutter-free environment. Installation is quick and simple, and once mounted, they securely hold items in place. Perfect for garages, workshops, and sheds, these hooks improve workspace efficiency while keeping items accessible. By elevating tires or tools, they help maintain order and safety. These garage hooks combine strength, practicality, and convenience, making them a must-have for anyone looking to maximize storage. Truck Adjustable Spare Rack. The Truck Adjustable Spare Rack is a versatile solution for carrying spare tires while saving space in trucks or trailers. Its adjustable frame fits various tire sizes, making it compatible with different vehicles. I like how it keeps the spare tire easily accessible while freeing up storage space for other gear. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, it offers long-lasting durability and resistance to rust or corrosion. Installation is straightforward, and once secured, it keeps tires safe during travel. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts, frequent travelers, and truck owners, this rack combines convenience, practicality, and strength. With its secure, adjustable design, the truck spare rack ensures your tire is ready whenever needed. 2-ton Scissor Jack Kit. The 2-ton Scissor Jack Kit is a compact, portable solution for lifting vehicles during emergencies or routine maintenance. It includes a sturdy scissor jack, lug wrench, and essential tools neatly packed in a convenient carrying case. I like its lightweight, space-saving design, which allows storage in a trunk without clutter. The jack provides stable lifting with smooth operation, even for beginners, while the durable steel construction ensures safety and reliability. Perfect for road trips, commuting, or DIY car maintenance, this kit provides peace of mind and practical functionality. Compact, reliable, and user-friendly, the 2-ton Scissor Jack Kit is an essential addition to any vehicle emergency or maintenance kit.
WallMaster Folding Tool Rack. The WallMaster Folding Tool Rack is a space-saving, versatile solution for organizing garage tools, tires, and equipment. Its foldable design allows it to be tucked flat against a wall when not in use, maximizing floor space. Constructed from durable, heavy-duty materials, it supports large tools and tires without bending or collapsing. I like how easy it is to install and use, making it perfect for both home garages and professional workshops. By keeping items off the floor, it reduces clutter and enhances organization. Flexible, durable, and convenient, the WallMaster rack allows efficient storage of tools or tires. It's an essential solution for anyone looking to optimize garage space. Tire Saver Anti-Slip Ramps. Tire Saver Anti-Slip Ramps protect tires during long-term storage by evenly distributing vehicle weight and preventing flat spots. Made from high-quality materials, these ramps are durable, strong, and resistant to wear over time. I like their easy-to-use design. Simply drive onto the ramps and the tires remain secure. The anti-slip surface prevents unwanted movement and ensures safety. Lightweight yet robust, they are easy to store or reposition as needed. Perfect for seasonal vehicles, garages, or workshops, these ramps maintain tire condition and extend lifespan. They save money on premature tire replacement while keeping your storage area organized. Practical, efficient, and durable, Tire Saver anti-slip ramps are a smart investment for tire protection.
Heavy-duty tire ramps. Heavy-duty tire ramps provide a safe and effective way to store vehicles while preventing flat spots on tires. Constructed from reinforced, durable materials, they can handle heavy cars, SUVs, and light trucks without bending or breaking. I like how their design distributes weight evenly across the tires, maintaining tire integrity during long-term storage. The anti-slip surface keeps vehicles securely in place, adding an extra layer of safety. Portable and easy to use, these ramps are perfect for garages, workshops, and seasonal storage. They save space, protect tires, and reduce wear, making them ideal for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle and optimize garage organization. Powerbuilt 3-ton Jack Combo. The Powerbuilt 3-ton jack combo includes a hydraulic jack and matching jack stands, providing a complete lifting and support system for vehicles. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures strength, stability, and long-lasting performance under heavy loads. I like the adjustable height and wide base, which enhance safety and accommodate various vehicle sizes. Compact and easy to store, it fits neatly in a garage or vehicle storage area. The smooth hydraulic operation makes lifting effortless, while the stands offer secure support for maintenance tasks. Ideal for cars, SUVs, and small trucks, this combo provides convenience, reliability, and confidence. For professionals or DIY enthusiasts, it's a dependable tool for safe and efficient vehicle servicing.
ROGTZ 5-ton electric jack. The ROGTZ 5-ton electric jack is a powerful, convenient solution for lifting heavy vehicles with minimal effort. Its electric motor allows quick, hands-free lifting at the push of a button, reducing strain compared to manual jacks. I like the compact design, which fits easily in a vehicle trunk or garage corner. Made from high-strength steel, it can safely lift trucks, SUVs, and commercial vehicles. Integrated safety features like overload protection and a stable base ensure reliability and security during use. Perfect for roadside emergencies, workshops, or routine maintenance, this electric jack saves time and effort. Durable, powerful, and user-friendly, the ROGTZ electric jack is ideal for anyone who works on heavy vehicles regularly. Utility Trailer Spare Mount. The Utility Trailer Spare Mount is a practical and space-saving solution for carrying spare tires on trailers or utility vehicles. Its heavy-duty steel construction resists rust and corrosion, providing long-lasting durability even in outdoor conditions. I like the adjustable frame, which fits different tire sizes securely. Installation is simple, and it keeps the spare tire off the ground, reducing clutter and potential damage. Ideal for trailers, campers, and utility vehicles, this mount maximizes storage space while keeping the tire accessible in emergencies. Compact, sturdy, and easy to use, it improves organization and convenience. With this mount, your spare tire is ready when you need it, enhancing safety and reliability.
That wraps up our list of top tire storage solutions and heavy-duty jacks that can transform your garage and improve efficiency. From compact emergency kits to sturdy ramps and racks, these products are designed to save space and protect your tires while keeping your workspace organized. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, comment, and share your favorite picks. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Gear Insider and turn on the notification bell for more product reviews. Check the description for links to grab your favorites today.